Then I was going to go shut the tent up at the other place. The other place, and I was brown car.
Is it related to Clydesdale?
Huh?
Is it related to Clydesdale?
Kind of. They're the other big breed. They're a little taller, bigger built breed than what the Clydesdales are.
Were they used a lot out here in the open?
Yeah. Percherons were used a lot in England too. So they're an English breed, but they were brought out here for pulling carts and wagons and stuff.
I would think so. Real muscle.
These guys are powerhouses, especially the two mares we have in the back at the very end.
Oh, is that right?
So between these two and the two in the back, they're the main ones that pull and drag.
Those ones are?
Yeah, so they're the two biggest breeds.
So the guys are little and they just try their best, but the ladies just really do the job.
Yeah.
Is that it?
They get bothered by all the